Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021. And we have three puzzles left for today. Yes, I will do the binary first, then the tectonic, and then the last one, the killer Sudoku. But first, we will solve this little baby, and this one will be number 3392. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always a 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two, double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. And now. Let me think. Okay. Yeah. Look. This row and that row. 1 empty box. 1 1 1 1 So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are ones. Okay, now we have 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then I need to compare it again. Yes. Wow. I know 1 2 3 3 O's. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes in this column. Yes. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Double 1 here, double 1. This column and that column. Let me compare. O O O O 1 1 1 1 O O empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Correct. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.